Welcome back to Space Engineers. Uh, I put a ramp down here, put another one on that side. Just some stuff I was doing. Laid as much of this decking in as I could. I decided not to put the refinery there. I finished this one off, put the effectiveness modules on it, and this yellow area indicates an access point. This one, the oxygen generator. This one is the large storage container, and this one is the hydrogen tank. So I can put oxygen bottles in here, and if I had ice, excuse me, that would get filled up. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I'm not entirely certain what I'm going to do there. There is oh, you can access the assembler from here. Okay. So I'm gonna have to change that one. If I can... There. Alright, so that's the assembler. I was thinking I might have to tear some of this flooring up and put a sorter block down. I also have this so it goes around back here. Whoa. I did not turn my jetpack on. What the... This is weird. Oh, because this is... The gravity from either the station or from the overbite only extends back to here. Which is something I didn't consider. I need to put a gravity generator in here. As you can see, this whole engineering section is very tight. Okay, so this is the tubing that goes... There's the assembler, there's a conveyor block, and then the elbows connecting it to this container. I was going to put a sorter in here somehow that would suck all of the components out of the assembler into this container, but since I can access that, I don't need to. Let's see, you can get around here, and this is like the maintenance area. But that's not going to be general access. That's for maintenance personnel only, obviously. Might need to put a set of steps going up here, maybe replace this block with a ramp on either side or something. Okay, so I need to put a gravity generator in. I gotta find some way of... I don't really need access to a refinery, but it's there, so why not? But I wanna block this stuff off so that it's not obvious. Here's access to the warp, the jump drive. We lose gravity right here. That's so funny. Alright, so I might want to put a plate there and a plate there just for consistent flooring. I don't know. And of course, these things are a different color than this, which which is kind of annoying. I decided not to make the command chair attached to the oxygen thing because that would just be complicated. Alright, so I recolored the whole thing. I got rid of the blue line basically because I was thinking about something I could possibly do there. I remember I said I wanted to put a trench along there, and then I realized that we have you have these things, the blast doors, which are just slightly, yeah, these guys are just
energy low.
Yeah, okay, just slightly smaller than regular blocks, and you could put those in, it would look like a trench. But the problem with that is they don't go in angles, so I'd only be able to do that in the flat parts. So I don't know what to do with that. I'm gonna figure something out. Come on. Okay. There's something I wanted to try. Yeah. Let me go inside and get me some. Actually, you know what? Yeah, sorry, a bit of a cough. Let's just go ahead and put this stuff down there. I'm gonna move a bunch of components from the station down here. Possibly a bunch of ores too. Who's red? Military escort. No, I'm not messing with the military escort. Let's get some blocks, though. Let's see if there's something we can do. No, I don't think there's gonna be anything we can do. We'll just have to live with it being that big plane. Which is kind of a bummer. I mean, I suppose I could cut out these angled blocks and put square blocks in there and something to that effect. Let me see something. Ugh. I always do that. Okay, so if we put this here, and then this there, see what that looks like. Oh, that beefs it up a little bit. Makes that thruster look like it's not so loosely attached. Plus it gives that whole extension thing a lot more solid look to it. He's coming this way. This is stupid. Wait a minute, I'm not even, what am I, it's completely stupid to go out there with inventory full of metal plates. And he's gone. Yep, they only get so close and then they disappear. Bummer. Alright, so if we took this one, hold on. Yeah. And what if we decided to change things up a little bit? Let's go with this, and this. Okay, let's start with this one. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Nope. I was hoping I'd be able to make this curve like that, but I can't do that. Yeah, if I could put this block here, but it's hitting the hitbox of the generator, reactor rather. Alright, what about this? And then let's see what this looks like. yeah, we still end up with a big hole there. Other than that, I mean, it looks nice like that. If there was something we could do about this big hole right here, then I could come up here with these guys and lay them out over top of the reactor. So let's see. I suppose we can always do this guy. Except that doesn't really do what I want. And this doesn't. Alright, maybe. Okay, so. Now, can I put this here? Nope. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do. Is just the. But I won't be able to put anything in the corner. Empyrean has a curved piece that comes out to a square. I don't think we have that here. No, see, all these are curved that are, curved on all three sides. The one in Empyrean is curved on these two sides, but comes out to a square on this side. Kind of a shame. Oh well. I guess the easiest way to do it. Well, I mean, this would be the easiest way to do it right here. This is just like that. And then I could put some of these up here if I had. I do have interior plates. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue that pattern, even though we're not. So that gives us a little upper area to walk on. Wow, ran out of everything. Okay, so now we need to okay, it's gonna be like that. Isn't it nice? Okay. Great. Can we get down here? Can we? Yep, don't think we can. Ah. Those things rattle around inside. Next thing you know, something blows up. Alright, so I have to place this one while it's yellow. Then I can place the rest of them. Okay. I'm gonna check something. Oh, that's sad. Okay, so yeah, I can't place any more of those. What I probably should do is just leave it as incomplete as possible. I'm out of interior plates, man. Seriously? Yeah, I shouldn't be screwing around with this decking. I should leave it as open as possible so that I can fit all the equipment in first. For example, I don't have any of the modules on the assembler, which is fine. need to do at least these two more. I mean, I could tear it open later and do stuff. But I do have this big open space right here, which I can put something in. It's a 2x2. It actually could be a 2x3, or even, yeah, as you can see, the assembler is 2x4, well, 2x2x4, and it's 2x3x4 with the dudes on it. So I could put another full assembler back here. Refinery. I can put on the refinery back here. Let's see, actually the assembler, if this was the assembler, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 3 by 3. Excuse me. So, conceivably, if I uprooted the assembler from over here, and put it over here with 4 effectiveness modules on it, because that greatly speeds up the assembly process. It would have to be facing this way, though. Like this. And then then how would I connect it to anything? Get out of my way! Yeah, it looks like, deceptively, it looks like I'd be able to run tubes straight across, but the hitbox from the reactor says no. I can run it back here and have it hooked to the refinery. That sounds like an idea. Alright, let me dig up the Alright, so then we need to... No? That's good. I'm going to leave this open in case I want to put something there. I'm just going to leave that open for right now. Alright, so... how would we do that? I'd only be able to put 3 modules on it if I did that. And then, ow. Then we'd have to run the tubes from wherever it is here. Of course. No tubes on this side. No tubes on this side. This tube's on this end. And this tube's on this end. Now it's got a tube there. But again, that reactor says can't put anything in there. Maybe. That looks good. Yeah, wait a minute. Excuse me? Alright, so we want to have that 1, 2. I'm just going to put that there temporarily. Of course it is. Okay, let me go ahead and end the video here. I'm going to figure this out, put this thing in, and you'll get to see what it looks like next time. I hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you